Hey folks, in this episode, some lesbians want to go to the drive-thru and we explore love in all forms. And if you have not subscribed, please subscribe. Thank you. Where are we going?
I don't even give a shit. All I need...
Huh? I said, where are we going?
Wendy's.
Here we have these ladies talking about their friends' preferences.
She's definitely on bottom, not moving.
She's on what? What is it? She's on the bottom.
Her favorite sex position is on the bottom, not doing anything. Not moving.
Oh, is she like a lazy fish?
She is a lazy fish.
I can't mess with that. That's a bit of honey. That's my nickname in high school.
No.
Yes, a bit of honey. I'm like, yeah. They used to call me chocolate thunder from down under.
I knew you were the best, but now I feel guilty.
Feel guilty about what?
Because I like a bit of honey. God, I'm so hungry.
We should go by like a drive-thru or something. Get you some food. What you think?
Oh my God, here we are.
You see
Don't
something?
fucking judge me. Don't fucking judge me.
I would. How?
A bit of honey.
She got this lingerie and she was like, it was like really cute, you know, whatever. And she's like, guys, can I try it on for you? And he looks at her and goes, I already know about your sex life enough. I don't need to see what you wear while you're just laying there.
You don't judge me. I'm not judging me. I'm not judging you. I'm not judging him. I'm not judging anybody. I'm eating a bit of honey and I never eat a bit of honey.
I'm just pontificating about the trials and tribulations of chewy candy. Bit of honey is good. You what? It's all in your teeth and stuff. You gotta chew it.
Exactly. Like
the pull up on the jaw.
Anybody, it would be me judging myself right now.
Yes. The pull up on the chew is you know, that's the best thing. You
The
try
thing is like you can't argue with that.
trying to separate your jaws. Like, nah. You ever had a sugar daddy? Okay, to be fair, I really didn't realize what I was saying until I watched this video back. You ever had a sugar daddy? Sugar daddy, that's a jaw workout for you, right? That's a jaw workout for you right there. You gotta suck a sugar daddy, you know what I mean? But the thing about it is most of the time guys are doing all the work anyway, so
That's
I don't know.
true.
Like I don't know what y'all think y'all doing. Like what?
That is true. It is the majority of the time.
You know, it's just like we are doing 95% of the work. You trying to just look cute. Why are you trying to look cute right now? Like, what are you
Even
doing?
when you're on top, like I try, but it just doesn't do the job.
I'm thinking these girls might like the drive-thru chick. They married.
Yeah. If I wasn't married, I'd hit that.
Get some barbecue sauce with that and some
Lots.
Let's say lots. They want lots. They want to swim in it. They want to put this.
Yeah, that's what I'm talking
They want
about.
this barbecue sauce all over their face.
I want to drown in it.
These poor ladies are expounding about the trials and tribulations they go through when making love. You're on top. You can't.
being their work.
Yeah, it does.
Really? Oh my God.
I think so. I mean, I'm still working. I'm working.
I'm tired.
I am too. And I got some ankle cramps or knee cramps or whatever. Well, like, Jesus.
Ankle cramps? How the fuck
I can't
get
think of
ankle
what this
cramps?
means right now. Calf cramps.
One of these ladies really enjoy going through the drive-thru, I guess, because it can't be me.
You were a great person. He's the best. I know. I try not to gloat, but like, yeah.
You are amazing. Amaze balls.
You don't know. You don't know. That's the thing that I like about him, though. You don't know how great you are. That's what's cool.
Whatever.
Actually. Nobody appreciates you like you should be.
Whatever. You are appreciating me somehow for some reason. I don't know. I think you want me to tip you. I think like hey, I can get him to tip me. He's driving for me, but I can get him to tip me if I just keep this up.
No.
You said Jesus? No, gelato, baby. Huh?
Jesus likes gelato, and yes, I'll give
No.
you some. No, that is not the situation.
We've been talking a lot of sexual talk because we were with some lesbians.
Okay.
And so we asked, so there was 3 of them at the bachelorette party, so 2 of them are married to each other. So we went around and asked your favorite sex position.
We didn't just go around and ask.
Well,
we were
it's
playing
easier,
a game and it came up.
Yeah, it's the easiest way to talk about that. So yeah, it asked like, "What's your favorite sex position?" And then they were like, "Well, ours are different than yours." They're like, "Elaborate, please."
What do you mean?
And then she's like, "We just like to sit on each other's face."
Hey, thank you for watching. Hit that like button if you liked it, and if you are not subscribed, please subscribe now. What's up?
He's nice. God damn it. I love the fucking South. I want to live here.